Hi, that's me. So I was doing my internship at Stichting voor Verstandelijk Gehandicapten Aruba. This is their website. And I'm still doing my internship there though, with the social worker Gisela Polo. But now my internship looks a little bit like this. But first, healthcare, of course. Before I begin, I check my planning and what I have planned for the day. I spend some time reflecting, checking emails, answering questions from my emails. I also created a website for the staff about self-care, so I really spent some time fixing the website, answering messages received from the staff, posting, writing blogs. So yeah, that's my website. I also spend a great time video recording and editing. I also have to prepare for these videos, as you can see. I also am working on a data project for SVGA. I'm connecting vulnerable families with available resources, so I help them fill forms of Fundación Panus Comunidad and put update of everything I do on online system of SVGA. And of course, with video recording comes a lot of time spent video editing. I also have online meetings and workshops, and I am constantly communicating with caregivers of participants through WhatsApp. So that was it in a nutshell. That's my internship reality now, and I hope I inspired you to do some things, or I hope I just informed you. Bye!